This is Gadget Stop 321. In today's video, I've got my A5 Filofax Domino out, and that's because I've got a new 6-hole punch. I've never used this Filofax as a planner. I got it on sale because it was partway through the year, and I took all the planner pages out, and I've been using it as a notebook for school for curriculum and just notes, keeping records of assessment data. And up to this point, I've just been using a single hole punch to punch my pages because I've been putting in 1 or 2 pages at a time. And so I would just use an existing page that came with the planner as a guide. But the downside of that is that I wasn't always very neat with it, and so my pages, may not be able to see it here. Let me see if I can zoom in. My pages don't always line up, but that hasn't been a major issue. And I had been looking at some of the portable punches, and they didn't have very good reviews, but, you know, all the things that people complained about are the same issues that I have with, like, my Lehigh Lab portable punch, or my Filofax portable punch, or for my, not Filofax, my Arc Notebook portable punch. And those are issues that just don't really bother me that much. I use these for punching 1 or 2 pages at a time, so it's not a big deal. I just like that the convenience of it. It punches all the holes at the same time. And I was looking for a portable punch for the Filofax, and like I said, it had really poor reviews. But I came across this adjustable 6-hole punch, and it was just, I don't know, maybe $5 more than the portable one. With the Arc, it's like $40 more for the full-size punch. So it was, you know, worth my money to go with the portable or the compact. Here, you know, a few dollars more and you get a punch that has better reviews. And this thing is solid. I mean, I'm serious. It feels like it's made out of solid lead. I have not opened it up yet. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Let me see. This side might be a little easier. Yeah. Well, maybe. I don't want to tear the box. Yeah, that's a nice looking punch. Now, I don't know what... Oh, okay. It's kind of hard to see. I don't have any daylight. But these slide. Ah, cool. All right, let me get one of my existing pages as a guide. I've been using my Rhodia Ice Notebook. And then I didn't really plan ahead here. I didn't leave room to punch it. But then I would punch it and put it in here. But I also kept some of the original Filofax paper. Man, the difference in quality is... This feels like recycled paper up next to the Rhodia. Rhodia is probably my favorite, specifically Rhodia Ice. I don't have enough experience with the other papers, but Rhodia Ice is my favorite all-around paper. I like the color. I like the gray lines. They're not overbearing. Let me see. I want to make sure I get the holes lined up. I think this one needs to slide over one more. think that's right. I think A5 is as big as it goes. It looks like this is A5 at the largest, and then maybe personal and pocket. Let me see. It looks... Well, that's as far over as it goes. It doesn't look like it's exactly lined up, but we'll give it a try. All right. My lighting is not great. I wanted to get this done earlier today, but didn't work out. I'm gonna try. I've got several of these little Rhodia ice pads in several sizes. I've got a little tiny one, and I have a A4 notepad that makes a nice desk pad. All right. Now the only thing is, let's see. Perfect. Oh, that's awesome. And it's got a little, on one end, this is not going to be easy to see, but there's a little bar here. Let me just slide this back in. A little stop there, so that your pages will all be, the holes will be lined up and your pages will be lined up. All right, this is a winner. If you come across this, where's my box at? This is a pretty good deal. I think, let me think. It was less than $25. And the compact punch, usually the Filofax branded compact punch runs about $20, so it was well worth it. Let me see. This just, the bottom just pops off and you can dump out your trash. Nice. Or, let's see, what is this little thing? Oh, I see what this is. This little bar that keeps the paper lined up is also adjustable. It's got a little thing here that slides. I'm not going to mess with it because it's set. See right there, it's got a little track it slides on, so you can slide it out if you want to adjust, you know, where the holes are on your paper, but it's set perfectly right now. If you set the holes at their widest, it's set perfectly for an A5 planner. So I've got, you know, plans for this planner, and now I've got my hole punch that will help me make better use of this notebook. Instead of using it as a planner, I'm going to be using it as a notebook. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.